Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. How to cash in your GCash at 7-Eleven using Click app. So here to cash in GCash using your Click app in 7-Eleven. So to do this, all you need to do is open up your Click app. Once you're here, you want to click Add e-money right here. Don't click Open Click Wallet, no, but instead click on Add e-money. Then click on that. After putting that in, okay, there as you can see, now it's loading a bit. Click on GCash. Then click on GCash Cash In. After that, we're gonna add in a number. So we're gonna add in my number. So right here, or there you go. There you go. And we're gonna enter an amount. So we're gonna enter an amount like 100 pesos right there. Then we're gonna click on confirm. After creating and confirm, as you can see right here, all you need to do is go up to the counter in GCash and show this barcode. And once they scan it, your money, there you go, your money will be added to your account once they scan it and then you give them the money. So here, as you can see right now, payments valid until 9:38 p.m. So you have at least 1 hour before this barcode expires and this doesn't work. So you have 1 hour before, again, you have 1 hour before this barcode expires, and this won't work. So yeah, there you go, guys. So yeah, that's how you do it. Or you can just use the machine there and ask guidance to cash in at your Click app. But yeah, there you go, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any more questions, leave it in the comment section below and we'll be happy to answer you guys. And thank you. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.